Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the Courtney stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, and the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3. I've already made 24 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. We're now going to start the sequence for this row. Make 3 chains, skip 2 chains, into this next one make a single crochet. Now you're going to start repeating from these chains, make 3 chains, skip 2 chains, into this next one single crochet. Make 3 chains, skip 2 chains, into this next one single crochet. Make 3 chains, skip 2 chains, into this next chain make a single crochet. Make 3 chains, skip 2 chains, into this next one single crochet. Make 3 chains, skip 2 chains, into this next one single crochet. Make 3 chains. When you reach the end of your row, you're going to have 4 chains left. Skip 3 of them and then make a single crochet into this last chain to complete this row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 2 chains. These 2 chains count as a half double crochet stitch. Into the first stitch of this row, make a half double crochet stitch. Now we're going to get into the sequence for this row. Skip over the next chain space. Into this next stitch, you're going to make 3 half double crochet stitches. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And that's it. That's our sequence. Skip the next chain space, into the next stitch, make 3 half double crochet stitches. Skip the next chain space, into this next stitch, 3 half double crochet stitches. Skip the next chain space, into this next stitch, 3 half double crochet stitches. Skip this next chain space, into this next stitch, 3 half double crochet stitches. Skip this next chain space, into this next stitch, 3 half double crochet stitches. When you make it to the end of your row, you're going to skip this last chain space. Into this last stitch of this row, make 2 half double crochet stitches into that same stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of this row, make 1 single crochet. So row 3 is going to be like row 1, where we made these single crochets and chains. We're going to be following that same sequence. We're just going to be working into stitches instead of chains. So we're going to start our sequence with a chain 3. You're going to skip to the middle half double crochet in the next set of 3. So this is going to be 1, 2, and 3 right here. So you're basically going to be skipping 2 stitches. And then into this next one, make a single crochet. Make 3 chains. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next stitch, single crochet. Make 3 chains. Skip 2 stitches. Into this next one, single crochet. Make 3 chains. skip 2 stitches, into this next one single crochet. Make 3 chains, skip 2 stitches, into this next one single crochet. Make 3 chains, skip 2 stitches, into this next one single crochet. Make 3 chains, then you're going to skip all the way to the end of this row. So there's these chains over here. They acted as a half double crochet on our last row. So into the top of those chains, you're going to make a single crochet to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the Courtney stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.